the world is changing faster than at any point in history. The financial landscape, employment opportunities, and technological advancements are all evolving at lightning speed. If you want your wealth to survive and thrive over the next 10 years, you need to understand these changes. In this section, we will explore the forces shaping our economic future, including artificial intelligence, automation, emerging technologies, shifts in employment, and the impacts of global economic trends and inflation. Understanding these forces will allow you to make smarter financial decisions and position yourself ahead of the curve. Artificial intelligence is no longer a concept of the future. It's here, and it's transforming every industry. From finance to healthcare, transportation to entertainment, AI is automating tasks once performed exclusively by humans. Think about it. Software can now analyze millions of financial transactions in seconds, recommend optimal investment strategies, and even predict market trends with incredible accuracy. Automation, robotics, and machine learning are creating both challenges and opportunities. Some jobs will disappear, yes, but new roles are being created every day, roles that didn't exist 10 years ago. Positions in AI oversight, machine learning engineering, data analysis, and digital strategy are becoming some of the most lucrative careers. Emerging technologies are also reshaping how we work. Blockchain, quantum computing, Internet of Things, IoT, and biotechnology are no longer experimental. They are integral parts of tomorrow's economy. Understanding these technologies is no longer optional. It's essential for anyone serious about financial growth and security. Consider the retail industry. Automation has introduced self-checkout kiosks, AI-powered inventory management, and predictive analytics for consumer behavior. While some traditional cashier roles are declining, positions in AI system management, data analytics, and tech maintenance are growing. This is a pattern you'll see across industries. Where one job disappears, another often emerges, often requiring more technical skill and offering higher compensation. Even creative fields are evolving. AI can generate music, write articles, and assist with design. While this may seem like a threat to artists and writers, those who embrace these tools can exponentially increase their output and opportunities. The individuals who adapt, learn how to use AI, and integrate it into their work will find themselves ahead of the competition. Ask yourself, what technologies are shaping your industry? Are you learning, adapting, and positioning yourself to leverage them? Or are you waiting for change to force you to adapt? The choice you make today will determine your financial security for the next decade. The modern employment landscape is dramatically different from the one our parents or even older colleagues experienced. The days of lifetime employment with a single company are largely gone. Instead, we live in a world of flexible work, remote opportunities, freelancing, and the gig economy. Remote work, accelerated by recent global events, has unlocked the ability to work for companies across the globe. This means higher earning potential, but also greater competition. Those who can adapt to remote communication, digital collaboration, and self-management will thrive. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TopTal are now connecting millions of freelancers with clients globally. Someone skilled in graphic design, coding, or digital marketing can earn thousands per month by offering services online, sometimes more than traditional salaries in their region. Companies like Uber, DoorDash, and TaskRabbit are just the tip of the iceberg. The gig economy allows flexibility and autonomy. While it may not provide traditional benefits, it creates multiple income streams when combined with other work. Many people now combine traditional employment with freelance or side business income. Imagine a financial analyst who also creates online investment courses, or a nurse who consults remotely on health apps. Multiple income streams provide resilience and accelerate wealth accumulation. These changes in employment also emphasize the importance of adaptability. Skills are now the currency of the modern economy. The more valuable and rare your skill set, the higher your earning potential. In addition to technical skills, soft skills, like communication, problem solving, and emotional intelligence, are increasingly essential. Employers and clients are paying top dollar for people who combine technical ability with strong interpersonal skills. Another key trend is that income opportunities are no longer geographically limited. A talented software engineer in India can earn a comparable salary to someone in Silicon Valley if they work remotely for the right company. Similarly, creative professionals can sell digital products globally with minimal overhead. This globalization of opportunity is one of the most significant shifts for personal finance over the next decade. Understanding macroeconomic trends is just as important as understanding emerging technologies. Inflation, currency fluctuations, trade policies, and geopolitical events all impact your wealth, often in ways that are not immediately visible. Inflation, for example, quietly erodes purchasing power. $1 saved today may buy 20% less in a decade if inflation rises unchecked. Savers who ignore inflation may find their wealth stagnating even if they are disciplined. Economies are more connected than ever. A political crisis in one country can ripple through global markets, affecting currencies, commodities, and stocks elsewhere. For instance, energy price spikes in the Middle East can impact transportation costs worldwide. Central banks use interest rates to control inflation. Rising interest rates may slow down economic growth, but increase returns on savings accounts or bonds. Understanding these relationships can help you decide whether to invest in stocks, bonds, or alternative assets. Investing in assets that historically outperform inflation, like real estate, stocks, or precious metals, can help protect your wealth. The key is balancing risk and reward across multiple sectors and geographies. Global economic trends also highlight the importance of flexibility. What works in one decade may not work in the next. For example, real estate boomed in the 2000s. Technology stocks surged in the 2010s, and alternative investments like cryptocurrency have gained prominence in the 2020s. Those who pay attention to emerging trends, adapt their strategies, and diversify their portfolios are most likely to succeed. To summarize Section 1, AI and emerging technologies are reshaping industries, creating both threats and opportunities. Employment is evolving. Multiple income streams and skill adaptability are critical. Global economic trends, inflation, and policy changes directly affect your wealth. Begin by asking yourself, which technologies should I learn? How can I diversify my income? What investments can protect me against inflation and global shifts? By understanding these forces today, you'll be positioned to thrive over the next decade. Once you understand the forces shaping the financial landscape, the next step is building resilience. Diversification is the cornerstone of financial security. It's not just a buzzword, it's a strategy used by the world's most successful investors and entrepreneurs. Diversification isn't about spreading yourself thin. It's about spreading your financial risks intelligently across income streams, assets, industries, and even skill sets. By the end of this section, you'll understand how to create multiple sources of income, invest strategically, and continuously upgrade your skills to stay ahead of economic shifts. Relying on a single source of income is one of the riskiest financial strategies today. The modern economy rewards those who can create multiple streams of income. This includes active income, passive income, side businesses, freelance work, and investments. Think of income streams like a financial safety net. If one strand breaks, like losing a job, others are still supporting you. Successful individuals often have 3 or more income streams. For example, a person might have a full-time job, a consulting side business, and dividends from investments. Creating additional income streams doesn't mean overworking yourself, it means being strategic. Start by identifying your skills and assets. Can you monetize a hobby? Can you invest in a small business or rental property? Can you create digital products like courses or ebooks? Each income stream contributes to stability and wealth growth. Experts in marketing, finance, design, or tech can consult part-time. Freelancing platforms connect talent with paying clients globally, often with higher hourly rates than traditional jobs. Dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, or digital products generate money with minimal daily effort. While initial effort is required, the returns continue passively, compounding your wealth over time. Small online businesses or niche e-commerce stores can grow into significant revenue streams. Many entrepreneurs start part-time and scale gradually while maintaining other sources of income. Ask yourself, what skills or assets do I currently have that could generate an additional stream of income? How can I start today without risking my primary income? Diversification isn't only about multiple income streams, it's also about how you invest. Relying solely on one asset class, like stocks or real estate, exposes you to unnecessary risk. The goal is to create a balanced portfolio across various assets and industries. Consider a portfolio that includes stocks, bonds, real estate, ETFs, and alternative investments like commodities or digital assets. Each asset class reacts differently to economic events. Stocks might be volatile, but over time they outperform inflation. Bonds are more stable, offering steady interest income. Real estate provides tangible value and passive rental income. Alternative assets like gold, cryptocurrencies, or art can hedge against market uncertainty. Invest in multiple sectors: technology, healthcare, energy, consumer goods. Diversifying across industries reduces risk if one sector underperforms. Government and corporate bonds offer lower risk and stable returns. They act as a buffer when markets are turbulent. Rental properties, REITs, or property crowdfunding platforms allow you to benefit from real estate appreciation and passive rental income without full ownership responsibilities. Consider commodities like gold or silver as inflation hedges. Digital assets like cryptocurrencies are higher risk, but can add high growth potential when carefully allocated. Don't limit your investments to your home country. International markets offer growth opportunities and reduce dependency on one economy. Diversification also applies to time horizons. Short-term investments may generate quick gains, but long-term investments build compounding wealth. A mix of both ensures liquidity and growth. Remember, diversification is not just a defensive strategy, it's a proactive strategy for growth. By spreading your resources intelligently, you're positioning yourself to capture opportunities wherever they arise. Your most important asset isn't money, it's you. Your skills, knowledge, and adaptability determine your earning potential. In a rapidly changing economy, continuous learning is not optional, it's essential. Industries are evolving. AI is automating routine tasks. Digital technologies are transforming how we work. By learning and adapting, you ensure your skills remain valuable. Whether it's coding, digital marketing, financial literacy, or AI management, every new skill is an investment in your financial future. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, and Khan Academy provide affordable courses in virtually any field. Learn at your own pace and apply the skills to side projects or career growth. Certifications in finance, project management, tech, or marketing can boost credibility and income potential. Combine skills to create unique value. For example, an accountant who learns AI and data analytics can offer services few competitors can provide. Skill stacking positions you as irreplaceable and highly paid. Understanding personal finance, investments, taxes, and risk management amplifies the power of your income and investments. Knowledge in these areas allows you to make smarter decisions, avoid costly mistakes, and grow wealth strategically. Ask yourself, which skills can I learn today that will increase my income or investment opportunities tomorrow? Continuous learning compounds just like money. It grows your earning potential over time. To summarize Section 2, 1. Multiple income streams. Create diversified sources of income to reduce risk and increase growth potential. 2. Investment diversification. Spread investments across asset classes, industries, and countries to protect and grow wealth. 3. Continuous learning. Invest in your skills and knowledge to remain competitive and maximize opportunities. Diversification is not about doing everything at once. It's about doing the right things strategically, building resilience, and positioning yourself to seize opportunities no matter how the economy shifts. The future rewards those who are prepared, adaptable, and proactive.
You've seen how the financial world is changing, how to diversify income, and how to plan for the long term. Now it's time to take action. Knowledge alone won't future-proof your finances. Action will. You've seen how the financial world is changing, how to diversify income, and how to plan for the long term. Now it's time to take action. Knowledge alone won't future-proof your finances. Action will. Let's recap the key lessons from today's video. 1. Predict change. Stay informed about AI, automation, and global economic trends. 2. Diversify. Multiple income streams and investments protect your wealth. 3. Plan long-term. Retirement planning, emergency funds, and regular goal reviews create resilience. The common thread? Adaptability, awareness, and proactive action. Your future financial security depends on how well you anticipate change and act today. The next 10 years will be full of challenges and opportunities. The economy will evolve, technologies will change how we work and live, and financial landscapes will shift. But if you act now, you can thrive in any scenario. Start by reviewing your current income streams, building your emergency fund, and investing in diversified assets. Upskill continuously and revisit your goals regularly. Every small step compounds into long-term success. Start by reviewing your current income streams, building your emergency fund, and investing in diversified assets. Upskill continuously and revisit your goals regularly. Every small step compounds into long-term success. Subscribe to Smart Money today for actionable strategies, insights, and tools to future-proof your wealth. Stay ahead, adapt faster, and grow smarter. Your financial future is in your hands. Start building it today. Subscribe to Smart Money today for actionable strategies, insights, and tools to future-proof your wealth. Stay ahead, adapt faster, and grow smarter. Your financial future is in your hands. Start building it today.